Hi everyone! Want to refresh your home with new furniture but overwhelmed by the many choices? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Today, let's discuss the hottest furniture color trends in 2024. I'll share some beautiful shades that can transform your space into a more stylish haven without excessive effort. From calming natural hues to unexpected pops of bold color, there's sure to be something that suits your taste. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel to support me and get more exciting interior design tips. Number 1. Persimmon, HGTV Home by Sherwin-Williams. Persimmon is a warm, vibrant color that can add energy and personality to a space. This bold hue pairs well with neutral tones, creating a striking contrast that draws attention without overwhelming the room. Use persimmon as an accent color for furniture pieces like chairs or side tables to bring a burst of life into your home. Its rich, fiery undertones can create focal points in your decor. Number 2. Waterloo, HGTV Home by Sherwin-Williams. Waterloo is a soft, muted gray blue that exudes calmness and sophistication. This versatile shade is perfect for larger furniture items like sofas or bed frames, where its tranquil tone can set a serene mood. Pair Waterloo with other cool tones such as whites, silvers, or soft greens to enhance its soothing effect and create a cohesive, peaceful ambiance that promotes relaxation and peace. Number 3. Pearly White, HGTV Home by Sherwin-Williams. Pearly White is a classic choice that is versatile and timeless. This neutral color is ideal for furniture pieces like dining tables, cabinets, or dressers, providing a clean and elegant look that can blend seamlessly with any decor style. Pearly White allows other colors or patterns in the room to shine, making it a perfect base for your decor. It can be paired with bold or pastel accents to create different moods, from modern and sophisticated to soft and inviting. Number 4. Delightful, Sherwin-Williams. Delightful is exactly as it sounds, inviting and cheerful. This light, bright color can be used for accent chairs, cushions, or decorative accessories to infuse joy and warmth into your space. It's perfect for creating a happy, welcoming environment, especially in areas where you entertain guests or spend time with family. Delightful can uplift the mood of any room. Number 5. Polar Bear. Polar Bear is a crisp, clean white that works well for any furniture type. Use it for kitchen cabinets, bookshelves, or even as a base color for an airy room. Polar Bear brings a fresh, uncluttered look to any space, making it feel larger and more open. This color is perfect for modern and minimalist interiors, where its simplicity can be the backdrop for stylish and functional design. Number 6. Rustic Taupe Bear. Rustic Taupe combines warmth and neutrality, making it perfect for wooden furniture such as dining tables, coffee tables, or bedroom dressers. This earthy tone pairs well with other natural materials like stone, metal, and woven textiles, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Rustic Taupe can enhance the rustic charm of a farmhouse-style kitchen or the sophisticated elegance of a modern living room. Number 7. Nairobi Dusk by Bear. Nairobi Dusk evokes a serene, dusky atmosphere, perfect for upholstered furniture like sofas or armchairs. This soothing color is ideal for creating a cozy reading nook or a calming bedroom retreat, offering a touch of tranquility to any room. Nairobi Dusk can be paired with soft textiles and warm lighting to enhance its calming effect. Number 8. Charismatic by Bear. Charismatic is an intriguing, bold color that can make a statement in any room. Use it sparingly to add a pop of personality and flair to your decor without overwhelming the space. Think accent side tables, art-inspired cabinets, or unique decor pieces. Charismatic can be the perfect color for a feature wall or a standout piece of furniture in a neutral room. Number 9. High Park by Benjamin Moore. High Park is a rich green, reminiscent of lush forests. This nature-inspired hue is excellent for accent chairs, ottomans, or even a feature wall. Pair it with warm wood tones and natural materials for a harmonious look that brings the outdoors in. High Park can create a refreshing and revitalizing atmosphere. Number 10. Blue Nova by Benjamin Moore. Blue Nova leans toward a deep celestial blue, adding depth and sophistication to any room. Consider it for upholstered furniture or as an accent color in a predominantly neutral room. Blue Nova can create a luxurious and serene environment, making it ideal for spaces where you want to relax and unwind. There you have it, the top 10 furniture color trends for 2024. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design tips and tricks. Press the notification bell so you don't miss the video. Thank you.